This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Pull the hood release lever located on the driver's side kick panel. Slide the hood safety latch, then raise the hood upwards. Chock the rear wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Loosen the lug nut protective cover nuts, then remove the cover. Loosen the front wheel lug nuts, then raise the front of the car and support it on jack stands. Remove the appropriate front wheel. Water and fuel draining. Removing the right inner fender splash shield improves access to the bottom of the filter. Working at the bottom of the filter assembly, connect a small clear hose to the petcock fitting on the sensor, then place the other end of the hose into a container. Open the petcock several turns until the water-fuel mixture starts to flow out of the hose. Depress the priming pump at the top of the assembly to help push all of the fluid out of the line. Repeat pressing the button several times, each time allowing the priming pump to come back up before depressing it again. Tighten the petcock and remove the hose. Filter replacement. Disconnect the water and fuel sensor electrical connector. Move a drain pan into position under the fuel filter to catch the residual fuel that may still be present when removing. Use a filter wrench to loosen the fuel filter. Chain or metal band filter wrenches may distort the filter canister, but it doesn't matter since the filter will be discarded anyway. Completely unscrew the old filter. Be careful, it still has a lot of fuel in it. Empty the fuel inside of the filter into the drain pan. Unscrew the water and fuel sensor from the bottom of the filter. Compare the old filter with the new one to make sure they're the same type. Use a clean rag to remove all dirt from the area where the filter mounts to the fuel filter and heater housing. Replace the O-ring on the water and fuel separator. Apply a light coat of clean engine oil to the water and fuel sensor O-ring. Then install the sensor onto the new filter. Tighten the sensor until the O-ring seal contacts the filter, then tighten it an additional half turn. With the new O-ring installed on the engine mounting side of the filter, apply a light coat of clean engine oil to this O-ring as well. Attach the new filter to the fuel filter heater housing, following the tightening directions printed on the filter canister or packaging box. Most filter manufacturers recommend against using a filter wrench due to the possibility of over-tightening and damage to the seal. If a filter wrench is used for the final stage of tightening, use extra caution not to damage the filter or seal. Connect the fuel in water sensor harness connector. Make sure the drain petcock is closed, then prime the fuel system using the following steps. Step A. Depress the primer pump approximately 25 times or until the pump becomes hard to depress. Step B. Try to start the engine. The engine may start and die again quickly. If it does, depress the primer pump again approximately 25 times or until the pump becomes hard to depress. Step C. Start the engine and allow to idle for several minutes. Step D. Check for leaks and clear any trouble codes. Install the right inner fender splash shield and retaining fasteners. Install the front wheel and lug nuts. Lower the car to the ground and tighten the wheel lug nuts to the specified torque setting. Install the lug nut cover and tighten the bolts securely.